Hello, welcome to Cello Vibrato. First, what is vibrato? Vibrato is the movement of your arm that is an amplification of sound. It can be tricky to learn, but it can really be learned in 4 easy steps. Step 1. You're going to take your left arm and turn it at a 90-degree angle, making sure you do this movement from the shoulder and you can feel the shoulder blades move. I am turning just from the shoulder. My elbow is falling along, keeping my arm. Step 2. I'm going to take that same motion, but I'm going to go across the length of the cello, and so that I am going along the fingerboard. Same motion, my arm is at an angle. Step 3. I am now going to take my left thumb and put it in what is I call the crook of the neck. It is where the discoloration meets, right where you see the curved part. You can see the two different colors. We can also call it fourth position. I'm going to do that same motion, making sure I come from the shoulder, and I'm going to, in a sense, give my cello a high five. After I feel like I have gotten this and I'm moving my arm, I'm going to twist my hand and I give it my cello a karate chop so that the back of my hand is always hitting this, where my pinky is at, is always hitting. Make sure not to move from the wrist like you see here. We want it from the whole arm and kind of like from back from the elbow. Next, my final steps. I'm going to take a finger and glue all my fingers together. And then I'm just going to slide on the string while doing my karate chop. I am not pushing any weight down. I'm just practicing sliding to making sure that my pinky side of my hand hits the cello. When I have felt comfortable doing all that, and I can do it in fluid motion, we want to make sure, once again, not to go from the wrist. We're going to push down our finger and do the same motion. And we can do this over and over. We can do it slow. We can, making sure that I'm hitting like the karate chop in my hand. I can do different speeds, and I can change fingerings while keeping my fingers glued together. You do this a minute every single day, and going through this process, you will be a wonderful vibrato player.